Okay, let me take you guys out to the fire pit that I'm building. Well, restoring, I should say. Now I got a dog barking at me. But it's pretty much level. I put a 4-foot level on it. So it's about 4 foot in diameter. I measured multiple ways, so these are pavers that I'm going to use. Some of them to do the border, and the smaller ones like over here are going to be for the very bottom. So if and when it rains, I should say when, the rain will go right through the pavers, and it'll all drain off. But this is part one of however many. See you in a little while, or a couple days, whatever.